Welcome to Luxembourg, and thank you all for coming. We have a good mix on the agenda between technical papers from producers and also more sort of R&D and research type papers.
We're talking about PCB manufacturers, we're talking about suppliers, we're talking about designers, OEMs. It's a big group of people that we're trying to connect to.
It feels good to be back at EIPC and a lot of familiar faces and some interesting conversations we've been having.
I wanted to talk to you today about standards. Your customers are the center of your business. They want what they want. They want it faster, better, cheaper.
Designs that are highly functional, efficient, yet lower cost. And these are the building blocks that the designers of the future will be using.
Safety is constantly evolving. It's not something you write down in a standard, and that's it.
Many PCB manufacturers are using AOI. Can this machine do ABC?
Explain what your designers are doing when they put signal integrity constraints on you.
So one part of the research is also test the washability.
What can we do to get very fast, nice prototypes?
Design once, make many times.
Efficiency of the crab shells to absorb the copper diminishes with the number of regeneration cycles.
Depending whether we are producing such a peelable foil for fine line or for sequential build-up or for the future, maybe colors.
Raymond, thank you very much indeed. So who'd like to ask the first question?
The comment made earlier about investment for the private companies to be able to produce these technologies, a lot of the PCB shops were captive shops owned by OEMs. Do you see a trend for that coming back?
Every time I go to one of the trade shows, I see lower and lower cost for smaller assembly equipment.
The cross-sections we have shown are products made mainly in Asia. So what is our future here in Europe?
Your customers in Europe will be using these devices.
If we want to improve, it is on how we get ourselves organized to allow the next step of innovation.
What I try to do is to showcase some of the research that has impact right across the supply chain from basic chemistry through to equipment, so really they can learn about all of the new technologies that might apply to their particular industry sectors.
People that benefit from being at these shows, technical people, creative people and industry leaders to see the latest innovations in printed circuit technology.
Well, it's important to just make, let's say, to get people from industry together, to share some information and to learn something.
It's rewarding at several levels. We have a bunch of PhDs here talking about new developments, but on the practical side you have machine manufacturers, chemical suppliers, and people that have to make some business decisions.
We're going to have a very interesting visit around circuit foil coming up this afternoon. One of the premier producers of copper foil in the industry. They've got a wonderful facility very near to the hotel here in Luxembourg. And they very kindly agreed for us to go around, and they're going to also host dinner this evening as well. I'd like to thank you for coming, and I hope to see you all in CERN in January. So thanks very much.